Dongguan Tianyu Suitcase Accessories Limited, located in Changping, Dongguan Industrial Town, in the city which is repeated as the factory of the world. Our company covers an area of 10,000 square meters with 101 employees. Besides, we are equipped with 19 sets of domestic and foreign advanced injection molding machine, 8 sets of computer automatic punching machine, and 10 sets of professional testing equipment. In addition, we have 8 senior staff with rich technical experience in the field of suitcase accessories and luggage carts. We are specialized in the R&D design, production, and sales in the suitcase accessories and luggage carts industries. We possess strong capability of product research and development, as well as strong capability of mold fabrication, not only in the field of suitcase accessories, but also in the field of medical equipment accessories, sports equipment accessories. We take trustworthy, win-win cooperation as our business philosophy, and reputation first, dominate industry as our enterprise spirit. Tianyu has reputation in the market and has won wide support and trust of our vast majority of customers. We are one reliable, cooperative partners as we have a strong technical force and a measurable development potential. We sincerely welcome you to visit us and cooperate with us.